Hello, Miss. I want to introduce myself. My name is Fatima Nabila. My name 33210063 and from class 336007. What's applied linguistics? Problem 1. Applied linguistics and journalism. Here's a hypothetical problem that intersects applied linguistics and journalism. Problem scenario. A major news organization is facing criticism for its coverage of a recent political event. Critics argue that the language used in their reporting was biased and influenced public perception unfairly. As a consultant specializing in applied linguistics and journalism, you have been asked to analyze the news articles in question and provide a detailed report addressing the following points. 1. Language analysis. Conduct a linguistic analysis of the news articles to identify my intents of biased language, framing effects, or load terms that might show my public opinion. Problem 1. Applied linguistics and journalism. Number 2. Impact on perception. Evaluate how the linguistic choice made in the article could potentially influence the reader's perception of the political event and the individuals involved. 3. Ethical consideration. Discuss the ethical implication of using language in journalism to shape public opinion. How should journalists balance objectivity with the need to engage and inform their audience? And number 4, recommendation. Based on your analysis, provide recommendation on how the news organization can improve its reporting practice to ensure fairness, accuracy, and transparency in its language. This problem integrates the principle of applied linguistics, focusing on how language is used in journalism to convey information and shape public discourse. It also highlights the ethical consideration involved in the journalistic practice and the responsibility of journalists to present information in a balanced and unbiased manner. And now analysis about language and journalists. The analysis, the analysis of language in journalism is a multi-faceted area that involves understanding how linguistic choice shape news reporting, influence public perception, and uphold journalistic ethics. Here are some key aspects to consider. 1. Language use and bias. Load language. Journalists often use emotionally charged or load language to evoke specific reaction from readers. For example, describing an economic policy as pro-growth versus taxpayer funded can subtly influence how the policy is perceived. 2. Framing effect. The way stories framed, whether it's focused on the economic impact, social consequence, or political implication, can significantly alter its interpretation. Different frames can lead to different conclusions drawn by the audience. And the number 2, accuracy and precision. 1. Clarity and precision. Journalists strive to convey information clearly and accurately. 2. Ambiguous or vague language can lead to misunderstanding or misinterpretation. And 3. Avoiding jargon. Journalists often need to translate complex concepts into accessible language for their audience, avoiding specialist jargon that may alienate or confuse readers. And number 3, ethical consideration. 1. Objectivity. Will complete objectivity may be unattainable, journalists aim to present balanced perspective by including diverse voices and viewpoints. 2. Transparency. Journalists should disclose any conflict or of interest, source of information, and potential bias that may influence their reporting. And 3. Sensitivity. Using language that respects cultural, social, and individual difference is crucial to ethical journalism. In conclusion, the analysis of language in journalism underscore its pivotal role in shaping public discourse, influencing public opinion, and maintaining ethical standards by understanding how linguistic choice affects news reporting. Journalists can strive for accuracy, fairness, and transparency in their work, thereby fulfilling their role as informers and watchdog in society. And number 4, impact on public perception. Media influence. Language choice can significantly impact how the public perceives events, individuals, and societal issues. Media framing can shape public opinion and policy debate. Cognitive effect. Cognitive linguistic studies how language structure or understanding of reality. Journalistic language can reinforce stereotypes or challenge prevailing narrative. Number 4, technological and social media impact. Digital journalism. With the rise of digital platforms and social media, language in journalism has adapted to short attention spans, instant dissemination, and interactive audience engagement. Misinformation and disinformation. Journalists face challenge in combating misinformation and disinformation spread through language manipulation and fake news. Number 6, impact of technological advance. Digital tools, advance in computational linguistics, and AI influence how journalists gather, process, and present information. Tools for sentiment analysis, for example, can provide insight into public reaction to news stories. Challenge of misinformation. Language analysis is crucial in combating misinformation and disinformation. Journalists use linguistic analysis to identify misleading narratives and fake news spread through manipulative language. 7. Language and framing. Journalistic language isn't just about conveying facts. It's also about framing stories in ways that influence how readers interpret events. From analysis. Journalists often employ frames, narrative structures that organize complex information into coherent stories. These frames can emphasize different aspects of an issue, such as its economic, social, or political dimension. Impact of framing. The choice of frames can influence public opinion. For instance, framing a protest as a riot versus a peaceful demonstration can evoke different emotional response and perception of the protester. Number 8, language and power. Authoritative language. Journalists often use authoritative language to assert the truth or importance of information. For example, using direct quotes from official sources or experts to lend credibility to news, manipulation, and narrative control. Language is employed to control narratives and public opinion. Journalists and media can manipulate public opinion by directing viewers or readers towards specific interpretations of event or issue. Number 9, language and journalistic styles. Language styles. Various journalistic styles such as narrative, investigative, opinion, and future tend to use language differently. These styles help determine how stories are presented and how information is structured for a specific purpose. Context and audience awareness. Journalists need to consider social, political, and cultural context when choosing appropriate language style for particular audience. For instance, a new magazine might make us more descriptive and reflective language, while daily news media might focus more on facts and chronology. Number 10, language in the digital era. Digital content framing in digital journalism. Titles, excerpts, and headlines play a crucial role in capturing readers' attention and influencing whether they will read the entire article. The use of keywords and compelling titles can enhance the visibility and impact of an article on online platforms. Impact of social media platforms. Language in journalism today must consider the use of social media platforms. Platforms like Twitter and Instagram limit text length, prompting journalists to summarize information succinctly and directly. 11. Development of journalistic language. Innovation in language style with advancement in technology and social change. Language in journalism continues to evolve. This includes adopting new terms, slang, and more dynamic writing style to remain relevant and engaging for changing audience. Experimentation and renewal. Some journalists and media outlets experiment with new language styles, such as interactive storytelling or the use of multimedia elements to enhance reader engagement and storytelling effectiveness. This point highlights how language in journalism serves not only to inform but also to influence, shaping public perception and discourse through strategy, use of linguistic tools, and style tailored to different media platform and audience expectations. Conclusion. The analysis of language in journalism underscores its power to inform, persuade, and shape public discourse. By understanding how linguistic choice affect framing, bias, objectivity, audience engagement, and ethical consideration, journalists can navigate this complex responsibly. Ultimately, ultimately, effective journalists relies on language that is clear, accurate, fair, and respectful. A language that fosters informed public debate and upholds democratic values. Thank you.